Morning, YouTubies. How's it going? Alright, today I'm going to do something a little bit way different. Y'all gonna think I'm crazy. Might be. Almost a little bit nervous about doing this one. I started this video on my phone, but my phone crapped out. I don't know if it got overheated or what the deal is, but like, gosh dang it, it messed up. So anywho, doing it on Anthony's phone. Alright, so today I'm going to be making a peanut butter and pickle sandwich. Thumbnail. Okay, so there we go. Thumbnail again. Okay. I'm curious maybe later on down the road to try this again with a different type of pickle, like hamburger pickles. Because this is the spicy pickles. So hopefully this is good. Oh. Parked over there. I lost my train of thought. Oh, okay. I decided to make it into an open face sandwich. Because might sound silly to some people, but trying to cut expenses. So I'm being frugal with even the bread. Most of the time I get full so fast that I get full on when it's 2 slices of bread. It's like too much breading. So on some things at least, I've started going to 1 slice of bread, and that actually seems like it works better. Like I said, I get full so fast, so why eat a sandwich when I'm not going to be able to eat the whole thing and have that wasted bread go in the trash? So I'm trying to count pennies right now. We're not really hurting for money yet. I'm just trying to get in frugal mode so that we can save money, put the extra money, even if it's just a little bit of extra money onto either the car or the house or both. So that's my line of thinking on that. And like I said, it's less waste. So, all right, here it goes. Now, surprisingly, it's actually good. I'll admit it's mostly the spicy because of the those type of pickles. Oh, I gotta tell you, I had my other peanut butter, but I chose to use this kind today, the crunchy peanut butter, because this is my mama's peanut butter. She always got the crunchy peanut butter. So, kind of, you know, I'm going to use her peanut butter. I can get a drink. Hold on here. Hold that thought. Ooh, man. It's good. I actually like it. For real. It's spicy. It's not too spicy. It just fires up your tongue. My toast is a little bit chewy. I toasted it last night and I left it, you know, in an open bowl so it wouldn't get soggy. But it's still got, well, it's not really soggy, but it's not crisp like it should have been. So, but we're trying to bring it to dialysis, you know, Because you gotta do what you gotta do. I don't have a toaster here in the car. How you guys doing? Good, I hope. I forgot to ask about that. Hope you're doing good. I'm doing good. Well, at this moment at least. I have my waves of emotions, but I'm doing good right now. Right now I'm trying to fire up my emotions. I love those pickles. I'm going to start getting them more often now that I've tried them. Even Anthony likes them. I'm surprised. Granted, they would be even better like on a hamburger or, you know, stuff like that. Sandwiches. So. Well, I can be even plain. You know, just eat them out of the jar. I ain't gonna lie. I prefer creamy peanut butter, but not bad. And watch the little red-winged blackbirds over here. Kind of cool. It's like they're building something someplace. Either building or tearing something down. I can't tell. Aww. Little sparrow right there. Taking a little dust bath. So tiny. So cute. The way he's all scrunched down into the crevice between the parking lot and the curb. How I see him. It's cute. Couldn't think of the darn words. Jeez. I wonder if maybe it would have been better if I had regular bread instead of trying to toast it. I don't know. Feel like I'm playing tug of war. How about you guys? Have you ever tried peanut butter and pickle sandwiches? What was your thoughts on it? This is my very first time. Probably should have tried it with hamburger pickles first to see, you know, what that tastes like. Oh, there's a pair of red-winged blackbirds. That's cool. Anyway. I think I just totally lost my train of thought. The crunchy peanut butter makes it a little hard to... It's like crunch, 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 crunch. I'd always wanted to try it. You know, peanut butter and bananas, or peanut butter and pickle sandwich. But I never got around to it. So I thought, well, let's do it. We got spicy pickles, let's do it. I do think the spicy pickles add a lot more flavor to it. The bird was going to fly in my window for a second there. Seen a hawk this morning when we was on the way to dialysis. It was so cool. Usually when you see a bird, when they're getting ready to go land someplace, fly and land someplace after leaving a tree or a pole or whatever, they head first down. Well, this hawk, he left the pole, and then he arched his head up and his feet down. I couldn't figure out what he was doing until Anthony explained it. His head up and feet down while still flying in the direction that he was going. Anthony explained that it was because he'd seen something and he was getting his talons ready. It's like, oh, that's cool. I'd never seen that before. I'd always seen him, head first. Oh, excuse me. Wow. Wow, so there's some, I don't know, those buzzards or what that is, like way up there in the sky. Flying around, circling around. This might have been a little bit better if I'd actually done it at home and toasted the toast where it was actually hot and toasty and put my peanut butter on it and, gone from there. Whoa, watch where you're going. Jeez. 2 red-winged blackbirds went flying by and one almost crashed into the window. Jeez. I feel like I'm in a bad spot here. Anyway, yeah, I think that might have been better because I think the toast would have been crispier. So, but what's with the birds today? Jeez. Like, pay attention. It was kind of cool yesterday. Dad was telling me about a really cool incident that he had when filling up the hummingbird feeder yesterday. He'd gone out and, brought the feeder in and cleaned it up and everything like he normally does. And then filled it. Well, while he was out there hanging it up, all of a sudden a little hummingbird came and just like greedily landed on the feeder and started feeding while he was standing right there. So he just stood real still so he wouldn't disturb it. So that was the first time he's ever been that close to a hummingbird. So he said that was a interesting experience for him. Kind of made his day. It's kind of nice actually talking about positive things about Dad. Never thought I'd be able to do. I said in previous videos, I don't know if things will last. I don't know. Because I know how he's done in the past. I know his I know he's like a 2-year-old and he has that mind frame of liking to start stuff for entertainment, so we'll just see how things go. But at the moment, it's nice to be able to actually say positive things about my dad for the first time ever. It's amazing. So
Yeah, no, you really only pay somebody to park. Yeah, I didn't know. I knew that they do that.
I'm getting full. This is why I cut down on the bread. I get full so fast lately. Ever since Mom died, I was having a hard time with my appetite before she passed away, but now it's plummeted. There are some days I do good. Well, like yesterday, I think I had 1 taquito and maybe like a half a cup of cottage cheese. That was it for the day. So, and there's like another day I had just a simple McDonald's cheeseburger. So, and that was it for the entire day. I'm trying to get where I eat a little bit more. I'm actually probably going to have to go back to getting the protein shakes to help get my calories, at least more calories than what I'm getting. Because I know in past, when I've not ate very much, it really affects my brain in a big way. My body too, but mostly my brain. I can't think. I'm not trying to not eat. It just, I have no appetite. That, and I get full so fast because of not eating very much. So I'm probably going to have to go back to getting the protein shakes and occasionally getting junk food like McDonald's or something like that. That's what my dietitian had suggested in past, eating, fast food occasionally to get my calories up so that I get my calories, but also I can get where I can eat more and stuff. It was a temporary thing. So I might have to do that. I'm going to start with the shakes first, the protein shakes. Let's see how I do from there. So, pretty bad. A lot of people, I have an app on my phone right now that I've re-put on my phone. A lot of people put calorie counter on their phone to track their calories to lose weight, which I would love to do that too. But my main thing is, then put the app back on my phone to make sure of how many calories I'm getting a day, and which I'm usually getting only, like, since Mom died, about 200-300 a day. Way off of what I need to be. I should, according to the app, I should have between 1,200 and 1,500 calories per day. So I'm way off. When I was doing better, I was oftentimes getting between 7 and 850 calories per day, which is still off, but it's a lot better than 200 to 300. So I just have to work on it. I've heard nothing else, protein helps too. So I've just been so stressed and upset and depressed. Always, I'm not doing so good. I'm trying, but I miss Mom. So she was my little Smurf. My little guinea pig. She was still alive, I'd be going home and trying to get her to try something like this, and she'd probably like wrinkle her nose and everything, like, don't her. She'd probably love those pickles though. She likes spicy foods. Like, not real spicy, but spicy foods that have just a little bit of a kick. She would love those. I think I'm gonna finish the rest of this layer. It's good though. It's would have been better if I had my bread better. These pickles are so good. I looked for mild or medium up on the shelf, but I didn't find any. So all I found was the hot. So I'm happy with the hot though. My tongue is like, I don't know about that. Alright, I'm gonna scoot. Yeah. I don't know what that was. Probably cat hair. Might have been my hair. Right on my lips because my lipstick. Anyway, I'm gonna scoot. I'll catch you guys again later. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Let me know if you've tried a peanut butter and bananas. Why do I keep saying peanut butter and banana? Oh my god. Peanut butter and pickle. Pickle! Pickle! Okay, let me know if you tried a peanut butter and pickle sandwich. I almost said banana again. So, and let me know if you are planning on trying a peanut butter and pickle. Did I say it right? Yeah. I have some things like, did I say it again? Peanut butter and pickle. If you're going to try it with the hot, spicy maple bourbon pickles. These are so good. I'm not even joking. All right. Catch you guys again later. Bye-bye.